Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Hello friends, this video is consisted introduction of novel drug delivery system and some terminologies relating to novel drug delivery system. Novel drug delivery system is all about new way, new technique, involves nanotechnology to make the medication effective, safer, reduced side effects. Also the missing doses are minimized. So novel drug delivery system refers to the approaches, formulations, technologies, systems and methods to deliver medication or drug safely and achieve its desired therapeutic effects. Difference between conventional and novel drug delivery system. The conventional or traditional drug delivery system is older technology. Example of this category like oral tablet, oral capsules, IV injections, IM injections and pessaries, etc. They have lots of drawback as well as like risk of overdosing, underdosing, patient non-compliance. Whereas novel drug delivery system is advanced, safer, effective, improved patient compliance and reduced medication frequency. Example of this category are implants, controlled release drug dose and sustained release drug dose, etc. Some important points and terminologies relating to novel drug delivery system. First one is a controlled release formulation or controlled release drug delivery system. As name suggests, this technique has control to release medication. So you can say that this system, controlled release drug delivery system, release medications at a predetermined rate and time. Controlled release formulations are absorbed slower than the conventional tablets and produce more stable serum level. Next important drug delivery system is targeted drug delivery system. The targeted drug delivery system is a special dosage form of drug delivery system where the medicine is selectively delivered only to its site or near the site of actions. Further, if you are unable to understand the mechanism behind targeted drug delivery system, I would go one step deeper in brief. The drug in the form of nanoparticles are coated with biological ligands. Such ligands can bind with specific receptors on the surface of target cell. So when drug molecules reach that site, it get bind with that receptor available on those cells. Next formulation is extended release formulation. An extended release dosage form wherein modified tablet or capsule need to be taken only once or twice a day. So this type of dosage form usually contain two single doses of medication, one for immediate release and one for delayed release. So an extended release formulation enable the drug to be made available to the body gradually after being taken and thereby reducing the frequency of taking medicines. Repeat action formulation. As the name suggests, this dosage form are type of extended release dosage form. They usually contain more than 2 or 3 single doses of medication, one for immediate release and next for delayed release and so on. Delayed release formulation. The delayed release formulation have a release time similar to those of conventional drug, but the medication does not release the API immediately. Example of this category is enteric coated dosage form. Controlled action formulation. This system provides a prolonged duration of drug release. The drug release kinetics is predictable. Sustained release formulation. A drug in a tablet or in a capsule form that provides the required doses initially and then maintains or repeat it periodically at desired interval falls under this category.